Naabutan ko ang magnanay na ito na namamasyal sa Presidential Museum ng The Mansion sa Baguio City. Kasama sila sa mga nag-tour kahapon.
Sa mga mommies, sa mga teachers, ang The Mansion ay open na. Hinihikayat ko po kayo na sana ay isa ito sa ating itinerary kapag tayo ay namamasyal dito sa Baguio City. Kasi hindi lamang sila mawiwili, magiging masaya, kundi matututo sila ng maraming bagay, lalo na sa ating kasaysayan.
Natutunan ko pong makita po to ng mansion.
Masaya ka.
Opo.
Simula kasi kahapon ay binuksan na sa publiko ang The Mansion para makita ng mga namamasyal ang Presidential Museum, kung saan nakadisplay ang mga memorabilia ng mga naging Pangulo ng Pilipinas at ni kasalukuyang President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Bukas ito tuwing Martes hanggang Linggo, mula alas 9 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon, habang sarado naman tuwing Lunes.
Tuesday to Sunday, we are open from 9 to 5. I recommend that you book a tour. You can book through Facebook, Instagram. We have a website. We can also take in walk-ins, but we can only take 20 people per tour. The tours are every 30 minutes. So if there is space, let's say only 15 people arrive, we can put 5 walk-ins. But it would be better to book a tour. This is all free, so no charge.
Ang The Mansion ang tuturing na summer residence ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas at kanyang pamilya sa Baguio City. At kahapon nga, mismong si First Lady Lisa Marcos ang nanguna sa opening ceremony nito. Kasama niya ang anak na si William Vincent Marcos, Education Secretary Sani Angara, Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco, Baguio City Mayor Benamin Magalong at iba pa. Kahit may pag-ambon, sama-sama nilang binuksan ang gate ng The Mansion, simbolo ng pagbubukas sa publiko nito.
Well, it was a good opportunity since this house was never really used. And it's a continuation of the Malacanang Heritage Mansions that we have. This is something that we would like to put in more areas so that people have that access and knowledge.
Sa makatuwid, dagdag pasyalan ito sa mga kababayan nating magpupunta sa Baguio.
The reason for this is we have noticed that every day mga 500 tourists are taking pictures outside the mansion house, and on weekends it reaches up to 2,000. So we would like to open the doors so that people can come inside and take pictures inside. We are also opening the Presidential Museum here. This is so that the people can learn about their history, about the presidents. This is also very important in unification, right? We need to know about our history and our culture so that we feel one.
May paalala lang sa mga pupunta rito na sumunod sa mga panuntunan at maging responsable. Ayon naman kay Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco, malaki ang matutulong ng The Mansion sa turismo at ekonomiya ng Baguio City.
Well, unang-una, pinapasalamatan natin yung ating Presidente, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and of course, our beloved First Lady, Luis Araneta Marcos, for this most significant and impactful project, the restoration and the opening up to the public of this very beautiful piece of Philippine heritage and history.
I'm surprised that when I got here, I saw that all presidents are being honored, and because of that, the history is preserved, and their achievements and their legacies of each president. So it's very educational as well, not just for adults but also for children, and it's also preserving history and our cultural identity. It can also inspire people because of the achievements of the presidents.
Ang pamahalaan na mismo ang nagsabi, mas marami pa silang mga tourist spots na aayusin at mas pagagandahin para sa kapakinabangan ng mga Pilipino. Mula rito sa Baguio City, Alan Francisco, para sa Pabansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.